Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Nina Shaira Villamero. I'm 30 years old. I'm married and I live in the Philippines. I have one daughter. She is 5 years old. My previous employment was a nanny in Hong Kong for 4 years. My duties and responsibilities there are taking care of the 2 kids. The youngest one is 2 years old and the eldest is 8 years old. And sometimes I help my employer to do the chores, cleaning the house, and do some cooking. And also, I help the 2 kids with their academic skills. Mom and Sir, before I work as a nanny in Hong Kong, back in the Philippines, I worked as a homeschool teacher in a toddler school. And also, Mom and Sir, if you hire me, I promise to do all my best and love your kids as my own, and I will help them with their academic skills. Thank you very much for taking your time to hear me, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.